Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my last video where I went shopping, this is a follow-up video. I am going to be unboxing some amazing things that I picked up from Bottega Veneta. I cannot wait for us to see them together. As you guys know, I love Bottega because the quality is unparalleled, like amazing stuff. So welcome to my channel. My name is Jody Mosley. This is primarily a fine jewelry channel, but we love to throw in our handbags and shoes as well. Be sure to check out the playlist on my channel so you can get full details and other videos that I have done. Okay, so we're also going to talk about Chanel for a bit, and I would suggest that you don't buy another Chanel bag until you hear me out today. So here's what's going on. Chanel has been increasing prices like crazy. I haven't bought anything from them in the past year just because I've just been really annoyed with the price point and how they keep on increasing, and it just doesn't really make sense. I'm like, make it make sense. $1,000 jumps monthly. It's not making sense, right? And then all the other rules they've been throwing in, like you can only buy one thing per this period of time and just all of that crazy stuff. But the real issue I'm having with Chanel that I want to bring to you guys is I have come to find that the quality is not as amazing as it should be for the premium that they charge. Here's the thing. There's lots of brands out there. We do love our luxury products, and that's totally fine. My one requirement is if you're going to charge a brand premium, I at least want to know that the product that I am getting is of the best quality possible. So in the case of Chanel, I don't think they are giving us the best quality that they possibly can, but they are charging us the brand premium, and that's fine. Chanel is a world-renowned brand, and they have put in the time and done the work. But I'm just saying, do not shortchange us on quality if you're going to be charging that type of price. So today I'm going to unbox my Bottega items with you, and we're also going to do a comparison of some other Chanel bags that I have and the Bottega bags, and I'm going to show you the difference. But let's just go ahead and unbox these beautiful things, and then we'll get into that afterwards. Alright guys, here is our first item from Bottega Veneta. And since we're talking quality today, I just want to show you how even their dust bag is a very thick, really nice, substantial bag, you know? Everything that they do, they go the extra mile in every small detail to just make sure that the quality is amazing. And I really appreciate that about the brand. So here's our first item. It was shipped to me. How pretty is this, guys? This is the large pouch. It is in the color Parakeet, and this leather is calf skin. There is some detail to it, as you can see, like the ruching. This is so thick, the way that it feels. It's amazing. So you guys saw me try on a couple of the pouches in the store, and I love them, but this is a color that I ended up going with, so they ordered and shipped to me. But look at the opening of this, guys. Look how nicely done this is. This is very superior in the way that they've taken the time to make this bag so nice, and they do that for all of their items. Look at the inside. It's all leather. It's calf skin through and through. And the awesome thing about Bottega items, well, some of them, but this one is included, they come with lifetime warranty, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about that in just a moment. Alright friends, the next item we're going to unbox is this one. And let's just take a look. This one comes with 2 dust bags, and again, they're such nice quality dust bags. Alright friends, here we have these beautiful loafers that we saw from the shopping vlog video that I did. I was obsessed with them. I really wanted to have them, and so I ended up ordering them, and they are just so gorgeous. Well, the store ordered them for me. So they are a size 38. They are true to size. They're so pretty. This is the color Butter. It also comes in, I think, 5 or 6 other colors. The cognac is really pretty. It's kind of a dark brown, and then they have black and a reddish one. And anyways, I loved the color butter, like it with the gold. I think I'll be able to accessorize this really well. So this is made out of calfskin. So the exterior is calfskin. The interior is also leather. It is made out of lambskin, so it's gonna be softer and more comfortable to wear. And I love that the soles are leather, because that means you're not gonna get all those impressions from your feet. They won't be dirty. You see, Bottega thinks about longevity and like making an item really last and always look brand new. Look at the bottoms. All of their shoes have this type of impression on there. So that means you're never gonna wear out your soles, because they put this extra layer that really protects the shoe. And I appreciate that so much about them. I am so impressed with Bottega. I'm gonna try these on for you in just a bit. Alright friends, up next we have this item. I really love this box. I like that they've used this ropey lace. They just think outside of the box, if you will. Very pretty. So let's see what I got. Alright friends, how pretty is this? This is a mini Jody in the color gold. It's in the pressed intricado leather. The leather is lambskin, so it's gonna be softer, but the way that it's woven, it's still super sturdy. Feels very substantial. Again, Bottega quality is just the best. Like, look at the pattern on here, look at the weaving. They did such an excellent job with this design. Jody is one of their classic bags, and I absolutely love it. And of course, my name is Jody too, so it's about time I got a Jody, right? I really like the zipper here. It's a curved zipper that kind of helps with the slide. There we go. So this is a mini Jody, so it's a bit smaller, but big enough for what I would like to do with it. So here's what I love about Bottega again. The interior is all leather, all lambskin. It is black on the inside, which is great. So this will be a very resistant bag. And once you try to expand it, it's gonna fit quite a bit. Even though it's a mini size, it's still gonna fit a lot. The only thing is that the zipper area is a tiny bit restrictive, but it will still work out really well. Alright friends, so what do you think about these items from Bottega? I think they're so beautiful. I love them. This is going to be such a great pair in the gold Jody with these beautiful loafers. All of the items will be linked in the description box for you. But let's talk about Chanel. Let me show you a couple of Chanel bags that I have, and you will see what I am talking about. Here we go. So this is a Chanel 19. I'm sure most of us know about these. So it is a padded bag, right? But now that I know Bottega quality, it's becoming more obvious to me just what exactly Chanel is lacking. So it's not that padded. It's super thin. There's not much going on inside it. It's very easy to poke. It's like a bag that you have to truly baby if you want it to last, right? It's not very resistant, not very substantial. In the back, there's a pocket, which is awesome, but it is a fabric lined pocket, so that's not good. I'm never gonna buy another bag that has fabric lining because they're cheating us when they do that. The inside is also all fabric lining as well. So please go onto TikTok and look up Tanner Leatherstein. Tanner Leatherstein is a leather expert or leather smith. I'm not sure what you call people who like make leather goods and so forth. But anyways, the whole premise of his channel, he cuts up leather handbags and he tells you about the construction and all of that. Bottega was the only luxury brand in 2022 who he said they are worth the price. They are well constructed, they're well made, they use the best materials possible, and that the quality is exceptional. Like, Bottega was the only luxury brand that he gave praises in 2022. He basically said Chanel, trash. Louis Vuitton, trash. I mean, they're not bad, and if you like it, still get it. Like I always tell you on this channel, it's all about what you enjoy and what you want in the long run. But if we want to start becoming analytical, when you're charging a certain price point, it's going to make us have a certain expectation. Some of these brands are just not giving us the quality that should come with the price point that they charge. Here is another Chanel bag. This is a flap bag. You'll remember how excited I was to get it. Chanel is pretty. They do make really great designs, don't get me wrong. But look at this bag. I literally have to store it stuffed. Like I have to keep things inside of it to help it keep its shape because it's so thin, it's so flimsy. There is not much going on to like keep it sturdy. And again, look at the inside. It's all fabric. So I've actually already got this bag dirty even though I try my best with it. And that's just super sad. So in terms of design and aesthetics, super nice. In terms of construction, no. So this is my favorite Chanel bag in terms of quality. You can feel it. I love when you pick a bag up and you can already feel that this is a great product. It was well made. Like it feels like money, you know what I mean? So I had the opportunity the other day. I went to the Real and they had a few pre-loved Birkins in there, and I got the chance to try one on and like pick it up, and I was like, oh, if I had my eyes closed and I picked it up, I would know that this is something different. It was heavy, it felt like quality, it was well made, the construction was precise, very similar to how this bag feels. These other bags that Chanel have, no, they're not doing that. So once you open it, you will notice that this bag, which is the maxi flap bag, by the way, is fully leather on the interior as well. All of the pockets, all of the openings, all of them are lined with leather. This is what they call their caviar leather. It's made out of calf skin. And so nicely constructed. This is what, I mean, this bag is probably $12,000 now. I bought mine for $8 very shortly after it went up to $10. I'm not sure where it is now, but I'm assuming it's around $12,000. I'm gonna check and put it in the description box for you. So you still are paying a lot just to get what you should have been getting regardless where the brand is concerned. You know what I mean? Like for Bottega, this is like an entry level in terms of quality, and you're gonna get it for half the price. That's the next point on Bottega. Right now at Chanel, their entry level bags, like the mini sizes, you can't find anything under $5,000. Very rare. Everything is $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, especially if they're gonna go with fancy colors like these and so forth. This mini Jody was $3,000. It is a fancy color. It is the Intricado leather. It is 100% lambskin inside and out. $3,000, you're getting a lot for the money compared to other luxury houses, and so well made and so beautiful, right? And then this one was, I believe, $3,400. Look how nice and big it is. Look how well constructed it is. 100% calf skin inside and out. Such a well made, well constructed bag. Like, where else are you gonna find a bag like this and this at this price point? You know what I mean? So that's what I love about Bottega. They're giving us the most and they're charging the least. So I forgot to tell you, another awesome thing with Bottega, guys, is the lifetime warranty. And when I say lifetime warranty, I don't mean my lifetime. I mean, they allow, if you should pass this bag on to, let's say, a child, and they are now using it in their lifetime, they also benefit from this lifetime warranty. So if anything should happen to the product, they'll either repair or replace it for the lifetime of the product, not of you. So even after you're gone, you're still benefiting from this warranty, and that is just such awesome value, right? They put in so much added value in everything that you buy. I'm really excited about that. So the next thing I want to talk about is the Tweed bags. I do not have a Chanel Tweed bag, but I have gone to the store to maybe purchase one. and I found that the tweed was already becoming fuzzy and like flaking off, and I'm like, how are you gonna spend $6,500, $8,000 on a bag that is literally already unraveling? So look at this bag from Bottega that is also tweed, and check out how they have constructed this bag to prevent that and to keep it lasting you for years and years. So you'll notice that with the Bottega one, it's trimmed with leather. So the leather trimming is preventing the tweed from unraveling. And then once you open the bag, you're actually getting a 100% leather interior. So the Chanel bag is all tweed. The inside of it is fabric. So you're literally buying fabric for $6,000 plus. And then we have the Bottega one that, depending on the size, they can be as low as $3,500, $4,000. And you're getting a leather interior of either lambskin or calfskin. And then you're getting leather trimming as well to prevent your bag from unraveling. So just little details like that. So I think it's totally amazing what Bottega is doing, and I really, really appreciate the brand for going the extra mile with their quality. Don't take my word for it. If you are close to a Bottega store, or if you're close to maybe a department store that carries Bottega, go ahead and try it. It will change your life. If you have not watched my first haul of 2023, go check it out. I bought lots of pairs of Bottega shoes, and again, all of the sandals, all of the mules, same thing. Excellent construction, the best leather that there is out there, inside and out, from the soles to the exterior, all of it well made, well constructed. And the way that they do their workmanship, it's very complex. So the complexity too, is not like you're getting just a simple, easy to make bag. They give you a lot of complexity, they give you premium materials, and they don't charge you like crazy like the other brands do. By the time you're watching this, I'm probably in Thailand already, sitting on a beach somewhere, sipping on a cocktail. We're gonna be here for over a month. We're also going to Bali. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see my stories of my day by day. And you can also watch my shorts here on YouTube so that you're able to see kind of short clips and hotel room reviews and views of our villa and, you know, things like that. So follow me on those platforms, and I will be bringing you videos here on YouTube as well. A quick OOTD, guys. My top is from Alix Nyc. My pants are from Veronica Beard. You'll probably remember when I did... was it a spring summer haul 2022? Anyway, these pants were a part of it. They are so cute, they're so chic. I finally wore them today. So I bought them from Saks, but they are from Veronica Beard. I'll leave the details for you. I doubt they have them anymore. I bought them on sale. I'm sure they're sold out. But Veronica Beard is a great brand. For the earrings today, I'm doing one of my ideal mini stackers on my second piercing, and then I have my Mateo hoop earrings here, gorgeous, and then just a couple bracelets and my usual ring. All right, friends, I'm gonna get back to my vacation. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Like, what are your thoughts on what's going on right now in the luxury handbag industry? See you guys next time.